Thank you so much, guys. Here onwards, the pace of the auction. Here onwards, here onwards, here onwards, here onwards, the pace of the auction will go a little fast because everyone knows that the timeline is very short. We should wrap it up very quickly as possible. So I will just give 3 or 4 seconds. So if you guys are interested, you will buy. Otherwise, I'll sell up the player. Okay. So next player up for today's auction is Jai. Number 8, Javi. Number 8, Javid from Savage Ninjas. From Savage Ninjas, Javid Kar. I'm looking 50 for it. 50 for it. 50 lakh. So if no further bets, I will move on. Sell past the player. We'll see on the next round. No further bets. I'm sell. No further bets. Shall move on. I'm looking 50 for it. No further bets. All clear. If all clear, then I will move on to the next player of Unsold. Next up for today's auction, the next player of is Unsold. Directly. It's me.
Hey, 10 crore bro, direct.
Number 2, Mr.
10 crore bro.
I'm looking 50 for it.
in that too.
50 for it. If no further bets, I will unsold. Just 50. No further bets. I am unsold. Thank you so much, Zed. 50. 75 is the 75 is digit. 100. 125 is digit. 125. 150. 175 is side. 200 is Zed. 225 is digit. 225 is digit. 250. 250 is Zabi. 250 is Zabi. 275 side. 300 digit. 300 with digit. 300 with digit. If no further bets, I will sell 325 side. 325. 350 Zayed. 375 with digit. 375 with digit. 375. 400 with side. 400 with side. 425 with digit. 425 with digit. 450. 450 with Zayed. 450 with Zayed. Any further bets? If no bets, 450. 450 with side. 450. 475 with digit. Okay, 500 with digit. 500 with digit. If no further bets, I will sell 425. 425. Sorry, 525. 525. 550. 550 with digit. 550 with digit. If no further bets, 575. 575. 600. 600 with digit. 600. 625. 625. 625 with Zaire. 625 with Zaire. 650. 650 with digit. 650 with digit. 675 with Zaire. 675 with Zaire. 675 with Zaire. If no further bet, I will sell off to Zaire for 675. For 675, no further bet. 700 with Shine. 700 with Shine. 700 with Shine. 700 with Shine. If no further bet, 725. 725. 725 with Zaire. 725 with Zaire. No further bet. I will sell to Zaire for Girish Ahmed. Sold. I am selling it. No further bets. I will sell out. The last look, fair look, no bets. 750. 750. 750 with digit.
12 तक उन्हें छोड़ नहीं
Hey,
करता
no, this thing, what? Just the option rule. 750.
We're getting late, macha.
750. 775. 775 with Zaire. No further bets. All clear then. I will sell off. I will sell off to Zaire. No bets. 800 with side. 800 with side. 800 with side. 800 with side. No further bets. I will sell 825. 825. 825. If no bets, I will sell off a last look, a fair look. I am selling on to Zabi 825. Last look. Sold.
Thank you.
825.
करोड़ तक रुकना था रे तू बड़े
Zabi. Next up for today's auction is Mr. the great all-rounder, emerging player of the turf cricket, Mr. Nizam. 22. 22. I'm looking 50 for him. 50. 50 for him. Anybody else? 50. 50. If all clear, we'll move on. 50. If no bids, we'll move on. Note this is a rapid draw. No tag. We are moving on. All clear then. If no bids, I will move on. Controlled. Next up for today's player is Mr. Jafar Khan, the number 21. Jafar Khan, I'm looking 50 for him. 50. 50 lakh.
Hey, Jafar Sadiq.
Thank you so much, Digit 50. 75 with Zayed. Zayed 50. 75. 100 with Digit. 100 with Digit. Any further bets?
Jafar Sadiq.
This was our name.
Same
This
spot.
was. Next part was Rojan or
100 with 100. 100 with Digit. Any further bets? We'll move on, guys. All clear then. 125. Thank you so much. Side 150. 150 with Digit. 150 with Digit. No further bets. We'll move on, guys. We'll move on. Last row 175. Thank you so much. 170. 200 with Digit. 200 with Digit. 200 with Digit. No further bets. 225. 235. Thank you so much, Side. 250. Digit is back with 250. Digit is back with 250. Any further bets? The bet is 275 is high. 275 is back. Any further bets? 275. No further bets. I will sell to Shahid. 300 with Digit. 300 with Digit. 300 with Digit. If no further bets, I will sell on 325 with Shahid. 325. 350 with Digit. 350 with Digit.
another thing will not play
350. 375. 375. Anybody else? 375. Thank you, Shahid. 375. 375. Anybody else? No further bets. I will sell on to Shahid for Jafar. We need 400. Anybody else coming in the row? No bets. I will move on. I am selling. A last low. I am selling. Sold. Thank you so much. Jafar is sold to Shahid.
80.
Okay, next up for today's auction is Mr. Virat Kohli. Oh, sorry. Okay, lots of truckload experience. He's playing from 5-6 years with Chetty also. Now he's wearing pant. That is different case. Okay, Mr. the great King Slayer, King Stanley.
Yay!
Chicha.
Number 4, Mr. King Stanley. At least 50 guys.
No, bro.
Before unsold any player is. Thank you so much. Opening bidding with Vijay. 50. 50 with Vijay. Anybody else coming? 75. 75 is right.
Chacha.
1 crore inside at the moment. 1 crore inside. 1 crore with Shahid. 1 crore with Shahid. 125 with Vijay. 125. 150 with Shahid. 150 with Shahid. 150 with Shahid. 175 Vijay. 200 with Shahid. 200 with Shahid. 200 with Shahid. Any further bids? 225 Vijay. Thank you so much. 225. 225 with Vijay. Any further bids? 250. 250 Shahid. 275. 275. 275. 300 with Shahid. 300 Shahid. 300 Shahid. 325 Vijay. 325 Vijay. 325 Vijay. 350 Shahid. 350 Shahid. 375. 375 Vijay. 375. Any further bids? Any further bids? 400. 400 Shahid. 400 Shahid. 425 Vijay. 425 Vijay. 425 Vijay. Any further bids coming in? 450 with Shahid. 450 with Shahid. 475 Digit. 475. 500 Vijay. 500 Vijay. 500 with Vijay. 525 with Shai. 525 with Shai. 550 with Vijay. 550 with Vijay. Anybody else? 575 with Shai. 575. 600 with Vijay. Round it off. 625 with Shai. 650 with Vijay. 650 with Vijay. 675 Shai. 700 Vijay. 725 with Shakib. 750 with Vijay. 750 with Vijay. 775 with Shai. 800 with Vijay. 800 with Vijay. 825 Shakib. 850 with Vijay. 850 with Vijay. 875 Shai. 875 Shai. 900. Round it off. 900 with Vijay. Any further bits? 925 Shakib. 925. 950 with Vijay. 950 with Vijay. Any further? 975 again times. Rounded off 10 crore with Vijay at the moment for King Stanley. A 10 crore. A 10 crore with Vijay for King Stanley at the moment. Any further bets? All clear then. Thank you so much. Zach is back with a 1050. 1050. A 1100 with Vijay. 1150 with Vijay. 1150 with Vijay. 1150 with Vijay at the moment for Stanley. 1200. Thank you so much Vijay. 1200. A round figure 12 crore for King Stanley at the moment. Any further bets? All clear. No further bets. Thank you so much. Vijay 1250. Again round Vijay is back with 1300. 13 crore for Vijay. King Stanley. 13 crore. 13 crore it's with Vijay. It's with Vijay. 1350 with Vijay is back. 1400. Vijay is back. 1400. 1400. Any further bets? 1450. 1450. 1500 Shai. 1500 Shai. 1500 Shai. 1500 with Shai. 1550. Vijay is back. Vijay is back with 1550. Vijay is back with 1600. 1600. Welcome back. Zayed 1650. 1700 Digit. 1700 with Digit for King Stanley. Welcome back. Vijay again 1750. 1750 for King Stanley. 1750. 1750. 1750. 1800. Digit is back. 1800. 1800 with Digit at the moment for King Stanley. King Stanley. Any for the bets. Any for the more bets. Any bets. No for the bets. Thank you so much. Zaid 1850. 1850. Digit is back. 1900. 1900 with Digit. Any for the bets. If no bets, I will sell King Stanley to Digit. My hammer is going up. If no further bets coming in, I will sell to Digit King Stanley. No look. Nobody is looking at me. I am selling it. The last look. Selling. Sold. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Digit. Where is King Stanley?
हाँ तुझे मालूम क्या हमने भी 2 सेटर में
Hey, where is King Stanley?
गाड़ी में पॉकेट
Okay. I don't know.
सीरीज स्टैंड राजी
और व्यू बड़े रन रहा है अब ये ऐसे बड़े
कादी किस्मत पे चल गया तो
कश्मीर कन्याकुमारी दो मिलाया ना रे तू
Okay, that was a good cracker of the day. Let's move on to the next player, guys. It's Shahbaz. 13, Shahbaz. ASOS player. Shahbaz Khan. 50 for him. Thank you so much. Vijay is opening the betting at 50. 50. Any further bets? Shahid is back with 75. 75 Shahid. 100 with Vijay. 100 with Vijay. 125 Vijay. 125. 150 Vijay. 150 Vijay. 175 Vijay. 175. 200 Vijay. 225 Vijay. 225. 250 Vijay. 250 Vijay. 275 Vijay. 300 Vijay. 325 Vijay. 325 Vijay. 350 with Vijay. 350 with Vijay. 375 Vijay. 400 Vijay. 400 Vijay. 400 Vijay. 400 Vijay. Any further bets? 420. You lifted? Lift it properly. 425. Thank you so much. Vijay is back with 450. 450. 450 Vijay. 450 Vijay. 475 Shahid is back. 500 Vijay. 500 is Vijay. Vijay is holding the betting for Shahbaz at the moment. Any for the bets? If no bets, I will sell Shahbaz to Vijay. A fair look. If no bets, I am selling Shahbaz to Vijay. Thank you so much. 525 Vijay. 550 Vijay is back. 550 with Vijay. If no further bets, I will sell Shahid to Vijay. 550 with Vijay. 550 with Vijay for Shahbaz. 550 with Vijay at the moment. 575. 575. 600 with Vijay. 600 with Vijay. 600 with Vijay. 625. 625. 650 with Vijay. 650 with Vijay. For Shabas. 650 with Vijay. If no further bids, thank you so much, Zayed. 675. 700 with Vijay. 700 with Vijay. 725, 725, 750 with Vijay, 775 Zayed, 775, 800 with Vijay, 800 with Vijay, 800 with Vijay, Shabas, 825 again Zayed is back, 825 Zayed is back, 850 Vijay is back again, very swift response fair with Vijay, 850, 850. 875 against Zayed is back. Against swift response 900 with Vijay. 900 with Vijay. 925 Zayed is back. 950. 950. 950. Vijay is holding at the moment. Click on it. Correct. 850 with Vijay. 950. Sorry. 950. 950. Are you back? Back. 975 with Zayed. 975. 1000. A 10 crore with Vijay for Shabas Khan. If further bets, not looking any further bets. Vijay is holding at the moment, waiting for Shabas 10 crore. If no further bets, alright. If all clear, I will sell Shabas Khan to Vijay. Thank you so much. Zaid is back. 1025, 1050, sorry. 1050, 1050. I think 1050, 1050. A last look. If no further bets, I will sell Shabas Khan to Zayed. No further bets. I'm selling on. My hammer is up. I'm selling. Sold. Thank you so much. Shabas Khan goes to Zayed King.
Zabib appreciate.
So next up for today's auction.
Good work, style.
Okay. Next up the player is 28 number Mr. Colin.
Oh, Mr. Noor.
I'm looking 50 for Colin. 28 number. Colin 50. Thank you so much. DJ is opening bidding 50. 50 for Colin. 50 for Colin. 50 for Colin. If no bids, I'm selling on 75. 75. 100. 100. 100 with digit. If no further bids, I will sell 125. 150 digit. 150 digit. 175 Zayed. 200 Vijay. 200 Vijay. 225 digit. 250 Vijay. 250 Vijay. 250 Vijay. Okay, 225 Vijay. 225 Vijay. 225 with Vijay. 225. 250 Zayed. 275 with Vijay. 300 with digit. 300. 325 Vijay is back. 325 Vijay is back. 325 Vijay is back. Any further bids coming in? No bids. I will sell to Vijay. A fair look. A final look. I'm looking at a 350 for Colin. Yeah, thank you so much. Digit is back. 375. Vijay is back. 375. Vijay is back. The bid is with Vijay at the moment for Colin. 375. I'm looking 400 for this to make this bid. If no further bids, I will sell to Vijay. No further bids. My hammer is up. I'm looking at all clear then. Thank you so much. Digit 400. 400. 400. Vijay back. 425. 425. Vijay is back. 425. 450 with digit. 450. 475. Vijay is back. 475. 475. 500. Vijay is back. 500. 525. Vijay is back. 525. Vijay is back. 525. Vijay is back. No further bids. I will sell off. Thank you so much. Digit 550. 550. 575. 575. 575 with Vijay. No further bid. I will sell. Call it Vijay. No bids. Thank you so much. Digit 600. 625. Vijay is back again. Very swift response. 625 with Vijay. No further bids. Thank you so much. Digit 650. Until Vijay is back to 675. 675. 700. Vijay. 725. Vijay is back. 725 with Vijay. If no bids, I will sell off. The last look. I'm not looking any further bids. I will sell off. No further bids. I'm selling. Calling to Vijay. A last look. Fair look. My hammer is up. I'm selling in. Where to Vijay? Calling is. I'm selling. Sold. Okay, next up, the player, Mr. Mahi Mahesh, the fast bowler.
Oh.
I am looking number 14, Mr. Mahesh Mahi, the fast bowler. I am looking 50 for him. I'm looking 50 for him. Any further bets? I'm looking 50 for opening bid. 50 for opening bid. Thank you so much. Come around 50. 50. 50. The bid is with Vijay. The bid is with Vijay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Digit. 75. 75. 75. 75 with Digit. If no further bets, 1 crore. 1 crore with Digit. 125 with Digit. 125 with Digit. 150. 150. 150. 150. 200. 175. 200 with Digit. 200 with Digit. 200 with Digit. 225. 225. 250 with Vijay. 275 with Vijay. 300 with Vijay. 300 with Vijay. 325 with Vijay. 350 with Kamran. 350 with Vijay. 375 with Vijay. 400 with Vijay. 400. 425 with Vijay. 425 with Vijay. 450 Vijay. 450 Vijay. 450 with Vijay for Mahesh. Any further bets? 450 with Vijay for Mahesh. No further bets. I will sell. Last low. I will sell Mahesh to Vijay for 450. Zahid is back 475. 500 with Vijay. 525. 525 with Vijay. 525 with Vijay. 525 with Vijay. If no further bets, I will sell on. Last low. Last low. I will sell 550. Zahid. 575. Vijay is back. 575. Vijay is back. 575. Vijay is back. No further bets. 600 with Vijay. 625. Vijay is back. 625. Vijay is back. 625. Vijay is back. If no bids, I will sell 650 with Vijay. 675 Zayed. 675 Zayed. 675 Zayed. Holding the bidding. 700. Vijay is back. 700. Vijay is back. 725. Vijay is back. 725. Vijay is back. Any further bids, I will sell. The last row. 725. 750. Vijay is back. 750. Vijay is back. 775. Vijay is back. 775. 800 with Vijay. 800 with Vijay. 800 with Vijay. 800 with Vijay. Any further bids? 825. 850. 875 Zayed. 875 Zayed. 875 Zayed. 900. Vijay is back. 900. 925. Vijay is back. 925 with Vijay. 975 with Vijay.
So maximum is 900. After this you cannot.
Yes, after this bid, yeah, 925 with Vijay.
So sad.
925 with Vijay. Shine is back 950. 975 with Vijay. 975 with Vijay. 10, 100, 100, 125. 1025 with Vijay. 1050 with Zayed. 1050 with Zayed.
No.
Vijay is back. 1100.
No, you didn't put our name.
1100 with Vijay. 1150 Vijay. 1150 with Vijay.
Shukriya.
1150 with Vijay. If no further bids, I will sell to Vijay. 1200 with Zayed. 1200 with Zayed. 1200 with.
नहीं नहीं आसिफ नहीं बोलना
You live? You live there? No, no.
No, 12, 12.
correct
Okay, 1200 with Zayed. 1200 with Zayed. If no further bids, I will sell 1250. 1250. 1250. 1250 with Saki at the moment side. If no further bids, I will sell the last low. If I'm not seeing any bids, I will sell Mahesh to Shahid. Or 1300. 1300 with 1300 with Zabi. 1300 with Zabi. No further bids. I will sell the last low. Thank you so much. Shahid is back. 1350. 1350. Shahid is back. 1350. Shahid is back.
क्या होना है? बेटा पैसे बचा कर रखा है।
Zaid, are you coming in? Zaid, are you coming in? No bids. I will sell off 1400. 1400. They're back. 1400. 1400. 1450. Shahid is back. 1450. 1450. 1450. 1450. No bids, I will sell to Shahid. Last Mahesh, I am selling on. Hammer is up. I am selling. Thank you so much. Zaid is back. 1500 with Zaid. 1500 with Zaid. 1500 with Zaid. With no bids, I will sell off. Thank you so much. Shahid is back. 1550. 1550 bids. Shahid is back. No further bids. I am selling on. Last look. I am selling it to Shahid. Mahesh will go for Shahid and he will play EPL 1 season to Shahid. I am selling it. Sold. Thank you so much. Okay, next up the player, bowling all-rounder, Mr. Keshav, number 6. Keshav. Keshav. Number 6, Keshav. Thank you so much. The opening bidding with Digit. Okay. I would. Okay, guys. One avoid confusion. I would like to see only owners lifting the paddle. Expecting a lot of confusion. Please, owners only lifting the paddle. That will be more clarity because others lifting the paddle is very confusing. Okay, next up, the Digit is open bidding for Keshav. Any further bids? No further bids. I will sell. Last look for Keshav. Thank you so much. Zabi is open. 75. 75. 75. The bid is with Zayed. No further bids. I will sell to Zayed. Keshav. Last look. All clear then. There is no clear. I am selling. Last look. I am selling. 1 crore. 1 crore with Digit. 100 with Digit. No further bids. I am selling it. Last look. 125. 125 side. 125 side. 125 side. No bids. I will sell. Last look. I am selling it. Zaid is open bidding. 150. 150 with Zaid. 150 with Zaid. No further bids. I will sell. Last look. No further bids. 150 with Zabi. 150 with Zaid. I am selling it. Last look. Fair for 175. 175. 175 with Zaid. 175 with Zaid. 200. 200 with Zaid. 200 with Zaid. No further bids. I'm selling it. Last low. 225. They're back. 225. Shahid is back. 225. Shahid is back. Shahid is back. 225. No further bids. I'm selling it. Last low. I'm selling it. Last low. Fair call. 250. They're back with. Zabi is back with 250. 250. They're back. Zabi is back 250. 275. 275. Shahid is back. Any further bids? 275. No further bids. I will sell. Last look. I'm selling it. I'm selling it. Keshav for Shahid T. 300. Zayed is back. 300. 300. Zayed is back for 300. They're holding bidding very strongly at the moment for 300. 325. Shahid is back. Shahid is back with 325. 325. 325. 325. I'm selling it. Keshav to Shahid T. No bids. Thank you so much. Zaid is back 350. 350. Zaid is back 350. Any further bids? Any further bids? No bids. I am selling it. I am selling Keshav to Zaid T. Shahid is back 375. 375 with Shahid T. 375 with Shahid T. Shahid T. Anybody coming in? If no bids, I will sell 375 to Shahid T. The last look, a fair look. I'm selling in. My hammer is up. Sold. Thank you so much. Okay, next up, the next pair of Coffee SK. He's an all-rounder player. I'm looking 50 for him. 30. Coffee, I'm looking 50 for him. SK. Kafil Ahmad, I'm looking 50 for him. Any further bids?
198 match, 2000 runs.
I'm looking 50 for him. Any further bids? If no bids, I will move on. The player will just pass on. Any further bids? Digit is open bidding. Thank you so much. 50 for him. 50 for him. 50 for it. 75. 75 for it. 75 with Vijay. 75 with Vijay.
Bro, you don't have money, bro. 9 crores only. What you do?
125 Vijay. 125 Vijay.
31 is there.
125 with Vijay. Any further bets? If no bets, I will sell. Last look, my offer is up. I'm selling it. I'm selling it. 150 Vijay. 150. 175 Vijay is back. 175 Vijay is back. 175. I'm selling it. Cup pay to Vijay. No further bets. Last look, I'm selling it. My hammer is up. I'm selling to Vijay. Last look, 175. 200. Vijay is back. 225. Vijay is back. 225. Vijay is back with 225. If no further bets, 250. Vijay is back. 275. 275. 300. Vijay is back. 325. Vijay is back. 325. Vijay is back. 325. Vijay is back. If no further bets, I will sell coffee to Vijay. I'm selling it. Last look. Nobody else coming in the room. I am selling it to Vijay for 325. Last look. No bids coming in. My hammer is up. Sold. Thank you so much. Bro, number. Coffee का number. Take the phone. Okay, so next up, oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back Mr. Irfan. Looking 50 for it. Vijay is offering the bidding. Vijay is offering the bidding 50. No bids. I will sell Irfan. Last look. Fair warning. I'm selling it. My hammer is up.
ए फोन मिलो ना वो कैमरा काढ ले सबके
That is back. That is back. 120.
ए विजय ए विजय
That is back. That is back. That is back. 100. 125. Vijay is back. 125. 125. 125. 125. No. I'll tell you. Vijay is back. You're back again. Okay. You can go for 9 lakh. Okay. Guys. Okay, keep that. Wait. Guys. Okay, with digit there is 150 guys. With digit 150. Let's move on. 150 with digit. 175 with digit. 200 with digit. 200 with digit. 235 with digit. 235. 230. Sorry, 250 with digit. 275 with digit. 300 with digit. 325 with digit. 350 with digit. 375 with digit. 375 with digit. 375 with digit. 400 with digit. 425 with digit. 425 with digit. 425 with Vijay for Irfan at the moment. Anybody else coming in? 425 with Vijay.
हार्ट बीट बढ़ते हुए इरफान की हार्ट बीट बढ़ते हुए
75 Vijay.
मैं साउंड जरा कम
500 Vijay. किसका फर्स्ट है?
इरफान क्या साउंड कम करो
आप कर दो, आप कर दो.
ऑफ कर दो
500 with digit. 525 with Vijay. Digit, are you back? 550 with digit. 575. Vijay is back. 575. Vijay is back. 575. 600. 625. Vijay is back. 670. 650 with digit. 675. Vijay is back. 675. 700 with digit. 725. Vijay is back. 725. 750. 750. 775. Vijay. 775. 800 digit. 800 digit. 825. Vijay is back. 850 with digit is back. 875 Vijay is back. 875. 900 digit is back. You're out of the equation now. Vijay is back towards 900. 925 Vijay is back. 925 Vijay is back. 925 Vijay is back. Anybody is coming in the room or on the back. Shai is backwards. 925. 925. 950. 950. Shai is back. 950. Anybody else in the room? No further bets. All clear then. I'm selling in more players. Thank you so much. Zaid is back. 975. 975. 975. Zaid is back. No further bets. I will sell. Thank you so much. 10, 100 with side, 10, 100 with side, 10, 100. I'm selling in, guys. My hammer is off. This is the rapid round. I'm selling in 10, 25. Vijay is back. 10, 50. Vijay is back. 10, 50 with Vijay for Irfan at the moment. I can see a small smile from Irfan. Let's make it this very big, guys. 10, 50. I'm looking 1100, 1150, 1150 with Vijay is back. 1150 Vijay is back. 1150 Vijay is back. The bid is holding Vijay. 1150. 1150 Vijay is holding the bidding. No further bid. In the room, all clear. I am selling in. Thank you so much. Shah is back. 1200. 1250 Vijay is back. 1250 Vijay is back. 1250 Vijay is back. 1250 Vijay is back. No further bid. I am selling in. 1300. Shah is back. 1300. Shah is back. 1350 Vijay is back. 1350 Vijay is back. 1350 Vijay is back. No further bids. I am selling in. Irfan to Shah. Irfan to Vijay. No bids. No further bids. Looks like no one interested. Thank you so much. Shahid is back. 1400. 14 crore with Shahid for Irfan. No further bids. I'm saying it. Nobody interested. All players and I'm selling it to Shahid for Irfan. My hammer is up. A last look. A fair call. I'm selling Irfan to Shahid. No further bids. All clear. Sold.
Yay!
A great
14.
Irfan, check your balance. 14 crore आ गया.
Leave it to 16 crore.
3 मिनट का भी पकड़. अच्छा.
Each of the brand.
अभी परफॉर्मेंस देगा तो फिर करेक्ट. मोबाइल
Okay, next up, the next player for today's auction is Mr. 25 number Akshay. I'm looking 50 for him, Akshay. 25. Yeah, 50 lakh for him. 50 lakh for him. 50 lakh. Anybody else in the room? Thank you so much. Vijay is opening bidding. 50. Vijay is a good bidding. 50 for him. Any further bid? Any further bid? No further bid. I'm selling in. Last low. Thank you so much, Digit. Thank you so much, Digit. 75. 75. 75. 100 with Vijay. 100. 100. 125. 125. 150 Vijay. 150 Vijay. 150. 175. Digit is back. 175. 200 with Vijay. 200. 225 with Digit. 225 with Digit. 250 with Vijay. 250 with Vijay. 275 Digit. 275. 300 Vijay. 300 Vijay. 325 with Digit. 350 with Vijay. 350 with Vijay. 375 Digit is back. 375 Digit is back. 400 with Vijay. 425 Digit is back. 425 Digit is back. Any further bets with Digit at the moment? 425 correction. Vijay is back. Thank you so much. 450. 475 Digit is back. 475. 500 Vijay is back. 500 with Vijay. 525 Vijay is back. Quick response again. Vijay is back with 500. 500. 550 with Vijay. 575 Digit is back. 600 with Vijay. 600 with Vijay at the moment. Any further bets? With no bets, I will sell Akshay to Vijay. No further bets. All clear then. All are clear. I'm selling Akshay to Vijay for 6 crore. My hammer is up. Thank you so much. Digit is back. 625. 650. Vijay is back again. 650 with Vijay. If no further bets, I will sell Akshay to Vijay. No further bets. All clear then. I'm selling it. My hammer is up. I'm selling Akshay to Vijay. The last look. Sold. Thank you so much. Let's keep the momentum and let's start with Mr. Number 19. Number 19, Mr. Saki. I'm looking 50 for it. 50 for it. Any opening bidding? Any opening bidding? Thank you so much. Digit is back. Digit is back.
यार दो. Sorry.
Saki. Digit is back. Digit is back. It's not present in the allowance. Okay, Shahid is back. 75. 100 with Digit. 100 with Digit. 100 with Digit. 100 with Digit. Any further bids, guys? No bids. I'm selling it. A last look. Saki is with Digit. Last look. Shahid is back. 125. Shahid is back. 125. 150 with Digit. 150 Digit. 150 Digit. No further bids. 175. 175 with Shahid. 200 digit. 200 digit. Any further bids? No bids. I will sell. What 225? Side is back. 225. 250. Side is back. 250. 275. Digit is back. 275. Digit is back. 275. Digit is back. 300. 300. Side is back. 300 is side back. 325. Stand is back. Sorry. Digit is back. Digit is back with 325. 325. Digit is back with 325. Side is back again. 350. 375 digit. 375 digit. 375 digit. No bids. Last low. No bids. I'm selling it. 400. 400 is Jackie. Side is back with 400. 425 digit. 425. 425. Any bids coming in? I'm selling 450. 450. Side is back. 450. 450. I will sell. Side came to side. If no bids. No bids. All clear. I'm selling in. Thank you so much. Digit is back. 475. 475. 500 side is back. 500 side is back. 500 side is back. If no bids, I will sell. Last low.
Bro, it's a max.
But I will sell Saki. Thank you so much. Again, digit is back. 525. 525. Digit is back. Digit is back. Any bids? Any bids? No bids. I will sell. My hammer is up. I will sell Saki to digit if no bids. My hammer is up. I'm selling. No bids. I'm selling in last low. No bids.
कुर्बान हो गया सर
Sold.
तुम्हारे वास्ते कुर्बानी जा रहा है
અમે એવું વખત કરત નહીં તમે તમે મારતા
तो हमारे यहाँ तो साथी उसी के बकरे थे
Okay. Thank you so much. The next up, Mr. 7 inches ex-captain Karthik.
कार्तिक बचाओ
Karthik Bakchao.
बताओ
I'm looking 50. Looking 50. Thank you so much. There is open bidding. Digit open the bidding with 50. No bids. I will sell. Zayed is back. 75. Zayed is back. 75. Zayed is 75. No bids. Vijay is back with 100. 100. Vijay is back. 100. No bids. I will sell 125. 125 digit. 125 digit is back. No bids. I will sell 150. Zayed is back. 150. Zayed is back. 150. Zayed is back. Are you back? Thank you so much. 175. Digit is back. Digit with 175. Digit 175. No bids. All clear. All clear. With digit. No further bid. I will sell off. Zaid is back. 200. 200. Zaid is back. No further bids. I will sell. A last look. A fair warning. The fair warning. Karthik is with Zaid at the moment. Thank you so much. Digit is back. Digit is back with 225. Digit is back with 225. A 225 digit is back. If no further bids, I will sell. A fair warning. My hammer is up. I will sell. Digit. Karthik Bakchao. So last look. No further bids. If all owners are there, I'm selling in Karthik Bakchao to digit 9. Thank you so much. Zaid is back at last. 275. Digit is back. 275. Digit is back. Last look. No bids. I am selling. Thank you so much. 300. 300. 300. 300. Digit is back. 325. 325. 325. No bids. I am selling in to digit. I am selling in. Fast look. No look. Nobody coming in. I am selling in. Karthik to digit. My hammer is up. Thank you so much. Okay, Mr. The number one player for today's auction. Number one, Kuber. Looking 50 for him. A very dangerous player at the top order who can change the matches with his runs. And he'll be an emerging player. Thank you so much. All the owners are in for 1 crore. Put it 1 crore immediately. 1 crore. Vijay, DJ, exactly. Everyone is back. 1 crore. Increase 1 crore with side. The bid is with 1 crore side. No, side. 125 digit. 125 digit. 125 digit.
They don't have money, bro. Once he has the max.
Sorry. The still bid is with digit only. Yeah. 1 CR with digit. 125 Zaid is back. 125 Zaid is back. If no further bids, I will sell. No bids. 150. Side 150. 150. 150. No bids. I will sell. I will sell. 175, thank you. 175. That is no back. Not seeing any bids. I will sell 175 to Zayed. If no further bids, no bids. I'm coming. I'm seeing no further bids. Sold.
Hey!
बहुत भारी ब्रो
कैप्टन पेपर आई कैप्टन
विजय सैड हो गया सुबह तेरा टीम में आया कर तो
Option is 27, Mr. Ishan. Looking 50 for him. 50 for him.
सुबह को खेल लेंगे
50. I'm looking 50. No further bids. I will. Shall pass on this player. If no further bids, I fair look. No bids coming in. I am passing this player. I'm sold. Okay, next up, the 17th number, the player is David MD Waji, a fast bowler and batsman, left-hand batter. I'm looking 50 for him. Any bids? Vijay, thank you so much. Opening bidding with 50. 75
विजय
digit. 75 digit.
फास्ट बॉलर
80 for the bids. That is 100. 100 with Zahir. 125. Vijay is back. 125. Vijay is back. 125 with Vijay. Anybody else in the room? 150. Shine is back. 150. Shine is back. 175. Vijay is back. 175. 200. Shine is Zabi is back. 200 with Shabas.
सर ज़्यादा करना है
225. 225 with Vijay. 225 with Vijay. Ready for the bets. No bets. I will sell the last low. 250 side. 250 side. 250 side. 250 side.
सत्ता खेला
275. Vijay is back. 275. No bids coming in. I will sell to Shai, to Vijay. What's it? Zabi is back. 300. 300. 300. 325. Vijay is back. 300. Vijay is back. 300. Vijay is back with 300. I need 350 to beat this bid. Anybody is coming in for 350. Thank you so much. Zaid is back. 350. 375. Vijay is back. 375. 375. No bids. I will sell. Watch it to Vijay. Thank you so much. 400. Zaid is back. 425. Vijay. 425. Vijay. 425. Vijay. So 425. 450. Zaid is back. 475. 475. Vijay is back. 475. If no bids, Zaid is with 500. 500. 525. Vijay is back. 525. 525 with Vijay. Zaid is also with back with 550. 550. Vijay with 575. 575. Vijay 575. Zayed 600. Zayed 600. 625. Vijay 600. 625. Vijay 625 with Vijay. No further bets. I will sell. Do Vijay. No bets. Thank you so much. Zayed is back. 675. 675. Vijay is back with 700. 700. 700. Okay, Vijay is with 675. My bad. The bid is with Vijay 675. The bid is with Zaid is back to 700. 700. 725. Vijay is back again. 725. 725 with Vijay. 725. 750. 775. Vijay is back again. 775. 775. 775 with Vijay. No further. 800. Zaid is back. 825. Vijay is back again. 825. Vijay is back. 825. No bets. You are 825. 825. I'm telling you. Last look. Fair look. My hammer is up. I'm selling in. My hammer is up. Hammer is up. I'm selling in. No bets. Sold.
हेलो
Number 11, Mr. Zayed. Number 11, Zayed.
फॉलो चाहता हूँ गिरीश मेरी बस
तेरे टीम में गेम पे बता बोल
Okay, before we move on to Zayed, I wanted to, before we move on to Zayed, I wanted to fair look on the bowlers and okay, Zayed, so Zabi left with 30 crore, having to fill 4 more slots. Vijay is left with only 1 crore, having to fill 2 more players, and Vijay is left with 14 crore, having to 2 more slots. Shahid is working 5 crores to fill 3 more slots. I hope
And how
that
many
you will
players
have
are in?
their goals on the track and let's move on to bidding for Zaid.
Yeah, 2 unit for 50-50.
Zaid, 50 crore. Okay, thanks for correcting Mr. 50 lakh. 50 lakh. We're running out of our time. No players coming in. I'm getting unsold. Thank you so much. This is 50, 75. Zaid is back with Zaid. 75, 100, 125. 125 with Shahid, 125 with Zabi. 125 with Zabi. No further bets. I will sell to Zayed. Last look, fair look. Nobody coming in the room. All clear, then all the owners. Hammer is up. Hammer is up. No more surprises. No more surprises. My hammer is up. No surprise. No surprise. Sitting. Sold.
Green gold.
Okay, Mr. The number 29, Mr. Akib. Akib. 50 for him. 50 for him. 50 for him. 50 for him. Akib. No for the bets. No for the bets. I will move on. We shall move on. Last look. Last look. Shall pass on this player before I move on. Any bids coming in, ask you, I'm looking 50 for it. Anybody coming in 50? Hammer is up. Unsold. Number 9, Mr. Naveen Kumar, legend NA. Who is a batter bowler who can finish everything, he can finish game as well. Thank you. Anybody else to finish game? Vijay is back 50. Opening bidding with 50. 100 with Vijay. 100 with Vijay. 100 with Vijay. Sorry, 75 with Vijay. 100 with Vijay. 125 Vijay is back. 125 Vijay is back. Any further bets? No further bets. I am selling it. Naveen Kumar 125. Shahid. 150 with Vijay. 175 Zaid is back. 175 Zaid is back. 200 Vijay. 200 Vijay. 200 with Vijay. No further bets. I will sell 225. 225 with 250. 275. 275 Vijay. 275 Vijay. 275. 300 Zaid. 300 Zaid. 325 Vijay is back. 300. 300. Sorry, 325 with Vijay. 325 with Vijay. No further bets. I will sell to Vijay. 350. 350. 375 with Vijay. 375 with Vijay. 400. Zaid is back. 400. 425. Vijay is back. 425. 450 with Zaid. 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 No further bets. I will sell. 475. Vijay is back. 500. Zaid is back. 575. Vijay is back. 550. 550. 575. Vijay is back. 600. 600. 625. Vijay is back. 650. Zaid is back. 675. Vijay is back. 675. Vijay is back. 675. Vijay is back. 700. Thank you so much, Zaid. 700. 725. Vijay is back again. 725. 725. 725. 75. Vijay is back. 775. Vijay is back. All clear then. Thank you so much. Zaid is back. 800. Again, Vijay is back with 825. 825. Vijay is back. Vijay is back. I am selling in. No further bets. All clear then. I am selling in. Naveen Kumar to Vijay. Zaid is back with 850. 875. Vijay is back again. 875. 875. 900. 900. 925. 925. 925. Vijay is back. 925. Vijay is back. If no further bets, I will sell off 950. Thank you so much, Zaid. 950, Zaid. 950. 950. 950. All clear then. I am selling in. To Zaid. A last look, a fair call. No further bids coming in. I will sell Naveen Kumar to Zaid. No bids coming in. A last look, my hammer is up. Sold.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 17.5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 17
17.50.
17.50.
17 now only.
5 को लिया था
17 तो ನನಗೆ
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಸಂತೋಷ್ಗೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು 2.5 ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗೋದು
Okay, next up with Umar 31. Umar 31. I'm looking 50 for him. 50 for him.
अभी 2 स्लॉट बाकी
50 for him. No bets. I will move on. Pass on. Last look. Umar, I'm looking 50 for him. No bets. Shall move on out there then. Sold.
मेरा अभी क्या जाने बच्चे
Looking 24 player. Dhanush. 50 for him. Dhanush. Opening bidding with Vijay. 75 with Vijay. 75 Vijay. 100 Vijay. 100 Vijay. No further bets coming in. I will sell Dhanush to Vijay. Last low. Last low. No bets coming in for Dhanush. I will sell off. Last low. Off chair then. Thank you so much. That is back. 125. 150 with Vijay. 150 with Vijay. 150 with Vijay. No further bets coming in. I will sell off. Zaid is back.
Before also they were giving money. That time I don't know why they gave.
Zaid back. No. Thanks so much. 175. 200 Vijay is back. 200 Vijay is back. No further bets. I will sell. Fair low. Last low. Nobody coming in. I will sell to Vijay. Done. 200. 225 required. I need 225 from anyone to overbid this. No bets coming in. I will sell. Zaid is back. 225. 250. Vijay is back again. 250. Vijay is back. 250. Vijay is back. 250. Vijay is back. Last look. I'm looking at. No bets coming in. I will sell. A fair final call. Just a look. Nobody coming in. Vijay is back. Zaid is back. 275. 300. Vijay is back again. Back to back. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. No one is coming in. I will sell. Dhanush to Vijay. Last look. I'm not seeing anyone. All clear. I'm selling.
they have the person they have the
Hey.
Number 20, Mr. Noor.
Noor bhai 101.
Nurullah. The champion from Champions Gen. 50. Vijay Gopal.
What did he call?
Okay, let's move on to balances of the key players. Let's move on.
Asim.
Sunday go to
Okay, player number 20, Mr. Noor. Noor, I'm looking 50 for him.
last time
Digit is open bidding. Digit is opening bidding.
last time last time ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
75.
75
75, 100 digit, 125, 125, 125. With no bids, no bids, I'm selling it. Last look for Noor. Child is holding 125. 125, Vijay is back with 150. 150, Vijay is holding. Any for the bets? All clear, all downers are clear. I will sell to Vijay. Thank you so much. 175, 175, 175, 200 Vijay is back. 200 Vijay is back. 200, 200 Vijay is back. 200, 225, 225, 250. Vijay is back. 250. Vijay is back. 250, 275. Again child is back. 300 with Vijay. 300 with Vijay. 300 with Vijay. Anybody coming in? No, it's thank you so much. 325, 325 with child. 350. 350 Vijay. 375 side is back. 375 side is back. 400 with Vijay. 400 with Vijay. 400 with Vijay. No bids. Sell move on. Get off player. I will sell. Thank you so much. Again, side is back. 425. 450. Vijay is back. 450. Vijay is back. 450. Vijay is back. No further bids coming in. All play there. Move on, guys. 450. We need 475 to all bid this. 475. Anybody in the room? Thank you so much. Side is back. 475. 475 with side. 475 with side. No bids. All clear then, all owners. No bids coming in. I will sell no to side for 475. Thank you so much. Vijay is back 500. 500 with Vijay. Any further bids coming in? No further bids. I will sell to Vijay. Last look. Last look. Last look. My hammer is up. I am selling it 500 with Vijay. I am selling it. Last look. Sold.
Last number. Last number. Last.
Okay. Before
the best over for that team.
Last.
Before we move on to unsold players, Mr. Unlucky player, Azhar. Azhar.
Hey, close. Hey, open and close. Open and shut please.
Okay, guys.
Unsold.
Anybody coming in?
Unsold.
Okay, open.
Hey, unsold.
जैसे भी लोग तो देने नहीं लगे
6-4.
क्या करना
We have 5 scores. We have more than that. 6 scores are you guys coming in? Player goes in.
why would you take this?
Okay, keep playing. 4.75. Guys, 4.75. Are you guys coming in? They'll give up. Last score. 475. Thank you so much. Sold to 5 lakhs. Sold to Sabi. Azhar sold. Azhar. Okay guys, let's move on with unsold players. Let's drop it up. It's going to be a rapid with 5 rounds. So we'll start it out. So Umar, let's go with Umar. Let's go to unsold.
5 में चलेगा रे बस तू
Okay, guys, just have a quick look on unsold players. We'll wrap it up very quickly. So we'll just go by one round. And the thing is, we have to fill the slot. Everyone has to buy this players. Okay? Let's go with 31. Umar. Anybody coming in 31? 31. Umar. We'll go 2 rounds. Unsold players. If we'll go 2 rounds, if anybody is not coming in, we'll go with the spinner rule. Okay? Side is back. Side is back. Okay. Sold to side. Next number 27, Ishan. Ishan. We'll go 2 rounds, guys. Nobody is picking it. We'll go with the spinner rule and we'll go to the bidding. Thank you so much. Digit is back. 27. No bids are there in hand. No bids are in hand. Sold. Next up, Nizam. 20 seconds. Nizam, 20 seconds. This is back to 75 with side.
YouTube live है.
Guys, we'll close it up, please. Come back. We'll close it up. Nizam, 22. 75. 75. Sold to Nizam. Okay, next up with Javed. Open bidding with Sijit. Javed, number 8. Hey, you're not Okay, anybody else coming in? Zahid coming in? To Javed? Okay, then sold to Shahid. Number 26, Zahiruddin. Number 26, Zahiruddin. Visit. 50 with Zahid for Zahiruddin. Anybody else coming in? Nobody? Zahiruddin. Okay, Zahid, you need one player. Vijit, you need two players.
Bro, already 9 is there, na? ओनर है ना रवि
अभी 3 जन लेना है 2 जन 7 नहीं होना
Here is it 26. Digit only. Not coming? 27. Sold digit. Who is there? Akib. Who else there? Where? Okay, that concludes the 29. Thank you so much, guys, everyone. It was 29. Thank you so much, everyone. It was a wonderful auction, I feel. We had let's open the players list and just have a quick look. 29. Thank you so much. It was offline experience. I hope game. Guys. Thank you so much. We'll share all the details offline. And let's conclude the auction today.
हेलो हाँ
Okay, guys.
Just do you need coins for that? 15 crores is pending. 15 pending.
Guys, we have question and answers. If anybody has questions, please. Irfan, you have any questions? Irfan, ladies, gentlemen. Okay, let's welcome Mr. Legend, the myth, the player, Stanley.
The man, the myth, the
So, guys, we have some unique rules. Mr. Kubeb has put a lot of efforts in it and to make it very bigger. So let's give it a chance to Mr. Stan to explain all the rules. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so the first question what Kamran asked is 16 balls, like once you get, it's not retired out, it is retired out. Okay, but once he retired, he can come all, after all the wickets only. He cannot come before that. For an example, there is two players getting retired out. For an example, I am opening and Girish is opening. Both players play 16 balls and we get retired. The first player who gets retired will get the first chance. Am I clear? Any doubt? Only the first player. The second player, if Girish is retiring, he has to come after me. At the end. It doesn't happen, but that is the rule. It's after 16 ball, you have to get retired.
We understand.
Any other?
Translate kar. First जो आया
No. Everybody.
bro
Please listen to
first
everybody.
मैंने बोल रहा है ना
Coach from batting create chaos. Kindly pay attention.
I have one question, Stan.
Yeah.
If somebody player goes to one team, if he's not interested to play, can he switch?
He can go to home, bro.
You want to say, Girish? Stan, Mazhar's question is, if two players were opening, okay, if they both get retired after 16 balls, okay, can they pick the one who
No.
has to go?
No.
Okay, he's asking.
First person who is retiring has to come back.
Person who is retiring.
It's very simple because if you give that option, okay. No, if you give that option,
Because all the players are telling to remove it.
no that is okay
How many owners are okay with that? No? Owners. Stan,
no,
just
actually
cross-check
this
with
is the rule. There is no acceptance on the owner. Okay, the real fact is we keep it very simple. We give the option to the owners. There is too much of confusion. It's nothing personal. This is what it is. First player who gets retired out, it's me or anybody, will have the opportunity to come back again. Okay.
If I get retired after 10 balls.
Yes.
You cannot retire after 10 balls. No, that
It
for
is
any
retired. Okay. I was expecting that
Okay,
question.
tell.
Okay.
After 10 balls, I
Before 16 balls, you wanted to retire. It's called retired out.
Retired out.
Retired out. So for an
Out.
Yes.
But if it is genuine injury, it is
Injury is
retired
there,
hurt.
he can
it's retired out.
Retired hurt, na?
No,
If it
no.
is genuine
Till
hurt.
now in the turf, what is the practice we are doing? Whoever is retiring, we are making is as retired out. Absolutely. That
Injuries-
answers.
No,
injuries.
injuries we are not giving
No. We are saying that retired out because he is never gonna come back again and play.
that is I understand
Okay.
But this is
So
the entire tournament. No?
correct. So if it's 10 balls, if he's getting injured, you're talking about if he's getting injured, we consider because it's 9 players, the entire tournament what we have like fixtured or we planned it is all 9 players getting an opportunity.
Opportunity, okay.
So it is very simple that if you hold that player, if it's like real injuries or a fake injuries, we cannot identify. We cannot identify that.
Got it.
It's very simple. We'll keep it as retired out.
Okay.
Any other question? Batting power play, bowling power play, you're clear about it, right? Bowling power play, 4 fielders can be placed.
Okay.
Okay, and batting power play, same rules, how the clutch over works. It's like
back to back or which over it is fourth over the batting
the rule is written in the poster. Okay, there is a small typo error in the poster. It has mentioned 2-2-1-1-1-1.
Yes.
It is not 8
8
overs.
overs, yeah,
It is 7 overs game. It's 2-2-1-1-1. So 8 runs rule. So 8 runs rule, we will give a clear picture. We will have a photo and with the owners list we will paste it there. That's like we will post there because we're going to create that 8 runs above or it's down. We will decide and the organizer will give a picture. 8 runs rule is very simple. It should be either on the top or down. The organizer is still making a decision. Okay, so yeah.
that means if 8 on the top it will be 6 down it will be 8
Yes.
No, they are just figuring it out yet.
So the reason is that makes very good contest if the bowler that's like fielder is making a misfield, he gives a bonus 2 runs for the team because it's becoming a batsman paradise. So bowler or the fielder gets that.
That is yet to be decided, right?
Yes, yet to be decided.
It is decided just that either it will be above that or below that.
It will be open on 31st, 1st of February.
We'll update that.
Surprise.
Surprise.
So the team names will be given to the owners, decided by the organizer, most probably tomorrow, right? So that same team names will be used for the following, EPLs. Even if the owners are changed, we'll have the same team name in the upcoming.
Is that organizer the team name?
Because EPL is going to conduct from the SOs, so they have the leverage to keep that 4 names. If we are adding one more team extra, we will add a name extra. But that name will be represented by the player.
Any other questions?
Any questions?
Yeah, we have couple of things like jerseys. As you know that we provide jerseys for all the players.
Guys,
Snacks will
focus,
be given.
please.
I'm sorry. Please pay attention.
So as you all know that jerseys will be given to all the players. So we'll check with the owners of the each team to collect their jersey size and the number, the name to be printed. Another thing is snacks will be provided in the evening.
Is it full sleeve or half sleeve?
We'll let you know.
When we need to come to give the measurement.
We'll
No, you can give it to the captain. Captain will share it.
we have another.
वो हमको
Okay. Regarding the half sleeves and full sleeves, okay, if at all people want full sleeves, if it's, we will update on that full sleeves and half sleeves. And there is a sponsor for us for the lunch on the day. So lunch would be provided.
Nice.
100 rupees rule. 100 rupees line.
No, 100 rupees. That
Umar,
should be 86.
100 rupees. Very good, very good.
Yeah, bro. 100 rupees is better.
Instead of waitress, we'll put 100 rupees. Lunch है. Umar का ही restaurant है बोले.
See, there's a budget actually what we have set. So we have decided to go with half sleeves for the jerseys.
Okay.
So if anyone is looking for full sleeves, then we might ask for some extra amount.
No, we are happy with half sleeve.
So everyone should be happy with the half sleeve.
परवाह नहीं मैं एक दो बना दो लोग एक्स्ट्रा दे देना मैं ऑफ स्क्रीन कम पे
Like
This sleeves are there.
we'll wait for the response 3-4 डाल कर देती होगा सबको. Full sleeve is तुम्हारा ना
Material मिल गया मुझे.
Material anything you can just drop a text.
ये डिजाइन बन जाता है sleeves का
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so bye.
Sorry.
One more announcement.
Yeah, one more announcement.
Santosh and I will be the umpire.
500 रुपए.
Okay, so I'll reconfirm. This is like fourth over of the innings would be batting power play. Second over of the innings would be bowling power play. Fourth over would be the batting power play. Second over would be.
And that is rules, bro.
Like second and third over,
Power play,
any
bowler.
of the over you can
1
take
over he can only bowl.
batting power play.
No, it's the same, huh?
Sandro.
Power play only one bowler.
Sandro.
That is same, right?
Second and third over,
That
you
was
can
not
take
mentioned.
a batting power play. Sixth wicket पे ball like that.
हाँ, वही नहीं तो I meant
We have
made an
fixed it.
impact.
Now we cannot change.
Mention नहीं था
2 overs bowler can bowl that.
Second and first.
हाँ बोल दिया ना यही वही है rule.
Power play. Who is bowling? He can bowl 2 overs.
That's there, no?
हाँ it is there. What is it?
It's the same rule only. Okay, so what we have decided on the power play overs is like, only one bowler will bowl. That's on the batting power play. Bowling power play, 2 bowlers can
If that bowler bowls 1 over,
Yes.
so it's done. So he cannot bowl 1 more over.
Batting
batting
For the clutch one you're talking about.
Yes, batting
Yeah.
power play. I'll repeat this.
Huh.
Batting power play, 1 over a bowler can be bowled. 2 over bowler cannot bowl it. Bowling power play,
He
anybody.
can.
Okay, only the
That is because that is the advantage of keeping that fielders in, or else it will be very difficult. Please convey this information to all the players because all the players are not here. And on the pitch, Mazhar, on the pitch, pitching outside the pitch, it will be considered as wide if it goes wide. Any deviation would be dead ball. Anything pitching front of the pitch will be called as a legal ball if it is a legal ball. Any deviation would be called as dead ball. Umpires call, please respect umpires. So that will be. Any other doubts? We will wrap it up.
That's it, I guess.
चलो हो गया. Good one.
Good one, thank you.
Yeah, and all the owners' duty is to make sure that all the bowlers bowl round down bowling. Do not entertain any chuck bowlers. Any chuck bowlers, please don't entertain. Only round down bowling. If you find that it is a chuck bowling, don't give them a over, please. Thank you. Okay, owners, I'm so sorry. Last update. Okay. Yeah, 2 fielders mandatory behind the stumps. Vijay,
Exclude wicket keeper.
excluding wicket keeper.
Including wicket keeper?
2 fielders mandatory behind the stumps.
9 players, na?
Yes.
In the field, okay.
Yes.